The building here to my right-hand side is Homewood Suites. Property is owned by Hilton. Used to be San Antonio Drug Company back in the year 1919. Renovated on the inside, now turned into a hotel. This building here to my right-hand side is our International Center. Used to be San Antonio Public Library from 1968 to 1998. Now the International Center houses offices from Canada, USA, and Mexico. Now if you look back behind the boat, ladies and gentlemen, that is Tower Life Building owned by Tower Life Insurance. The building construction began in 1927, opened up its doors in 1929, originally named the Smith-Young Tower. Now the architecture on this building is called Neo-Gothic. The building has gargoyles all the way up to the top that are meant to protect the building like guard dogs for a house. We are now exiting floodgate number 4. We are also exiting the natural flow of the San Antonio River.
चाहिँ खोलामा आइपुगेछ नि यो पकड्ने छ
Mexico. What we're traveling through right now is San Antonio Flood Control Bypass Channel. Bypass Channel was constructed between 1926 and 1929. So what we're traveling through right now is man-made. Here to my right-hand side, we have Drury Plaza Hotel. Drury Plaza Hotel made a very large donation to the city of San Antonio April 12th of 2007. Now this hotel donated this lighted footbridge we are coming up underneath right now. In conjunction with the footbridge, they also donated the walkway here to my right-hand side. The walkway stretches 612 feet long in between floodgates 3 and 4. We're going to follow that boat up ahead of us, ladies and gentlemen, and make a right-hand turn into floodgate number 3. This is the beginning of the Riverwalk. This is where you start to see a lot of the restaurants lining the banks. As you can see, there is more river up. 4 miles up north, the river continues. 2 more miles past it is the source of the San Antonio River. It is a spring located on the campus of the University of Akron. Now, the source of that spring is Edwards Aquifer. Edwards Aquifer is an underground aquifer 108 feet below ground. Stretches 135 miles in length, between 4 and 45 miles in width. Edwards Aquifer is San Antonio's main source of drinking water. We're entering floodgate number 3. Floodgate number 3 is chain driven from up above. Pocket gate design, takes about 15 minutes to lower into the water, and it weighs about 3 tons. Here to my left-hand side, Drury Inn and Suites. Another property owned by Drury. This building used to be City Public Service back in the year 1921. And if you lived here in the 1920s here in San Antonio, you had to pay your light bill or electricity bill, this building was your destination. It has since been renovated twice, and now Drury Inn and Suites features Texas Land and Cattle Restaurant. Continuing here on my right-hand side, top of the stairs, we have our Esquire Tavern. Esquire Tavern is the oldest bar on the Riverwalk. They opened up the day after Prohibition ended in the year 1933.
रेस्टुरेन्टहरु
Starbucks. Here to my right, Hard Rock Cafe. Directly across from it to my left, Joe's Crab Shack. Now above Joe's Crab Shack on the 3rd and 4th floors, 2 nightclubs, Havana Nightclub and the Kremlin. This building here to my left-hand side is Hyatt Regency Hotel, opened up in 1981. It is the only hotel on the Riverwalk where the river flows directly through it. Now it also acts as a passageway. If you walk through these double glass doors here directly to my left-hand side, they will lead you through the hotel into Alamo Plaza, where you'll find the Alamo, Ripley's Believe It or Not, and our Wax Museum, and our Museum of Guinness World Records.